Next, our concept is the business process. Business process is a short form of a BCP, consists of a series of activities which serves a particular specific result. By using this series of activities, we are identifying particular specific result. It is used when an enterprise has a number of interrelated process which serve a particular result or goal. So it is used in the business. Enterprises means business where a number of interrelated process, where a number of people, a group of people, different departments are working for a particular goal or result. So it is the same sense. The results enables sales, planning and production. So whatever the results we are specifying, that result may be concentrating on enables through sales, planning and production. The business process is a representation or process matrix or flowchart of a sequence of activity with interleaving decision points. By using this business process, it represent or a process matrix or a flowchart of a sequence of activities. We are placing an activity sequence with interleaving decision points by gathering all the decision points, by identifying the decision points. Internet of RFIDs enables a business process called tracking of RFID labeled goods, which also enables inventory control process. So this business process are we are making the usage in the RFIDs. By using this RFID tags, we are tracking our goods and our inventory control process. IoT or machine to machine enable the device data in database for business processes. For business data processes, we are using the IoT or machine to machine devices data in our databases. The data supports the process. So whatever the data provides, it supports the process. For example, consider a process. Here giving a process: street light control and management. Street light control and management. Each group of street light sends data in real time through the gateway. So we are using this example from first chapter. So every group of street lights sends the real data based on real-time data in a internet through the gateways. The gateway connected to the internet. Already you know that gateways are directly connected to the internet. The control and management processes street lights, real-time databases and group databases. Whatever the control management processing on the street light, it gives the real-time databases and group databases. So based on that real-time databases and group database, we can identify which street light is glowing or not, and which street is efficiently working and which street light is not efficiently working. So this is one of a business transaction. We are identifying it as a business processes based on these our IoT as well as machine to machine devices. Next, our concept is business intelligence, BI short form. BI, business intelligence, is a process which enables a business service to extract new facts and knowledge and then undertake better decisions. So it is one of a process by using enable services, business services. We are extracting, we are evolving new facts and new ideas and new knowledge. New knowledge in the sense means new knowledge means new idea. By using this new facts and new idea, we can take better decisions. The new facts and knowledge follow from the earlier results of data processing, aggregation and then analyzing those results. Whatever the new facts and new ideas or knowledge you are taking from the earlier results of data processing, aggregation and then analyzing those results. So the new idea and new facts will comes, new knowledge will becomes from the analysis of earlier data and aggregation and data processings.